In this video, I will show you how to use your micro SD memory cards and also regular SD memory cards with your Google Pixel 10a. First, if you're wondering if this phone has got like a slot where you can insert the micro SD directly, then nope, I have some bad news, it doesn't have that. So if you want to use like any kind of memory card with it, you will have to get adapter for it. For example, I have two types of adapters here. For example, for these micro SD memory cards, these are good. So you see how absolutely tiny it is. You plug in your memory card here, and then using the Type-C, you simply plug it in your phone. And you see it starts to work. If you have the larger SD cards, you'll probably need to get one of these larger adapters. So you see I can insert my card here, and I can connect again using the Type-C. So plugged in. And then to access the files, and basically copy something over to the memory card. Okay, make sure it's in properly. You simply find your files app. Okay, and then you see in the all storage here, you have the mass storage here, where you can access the files currently stored on your memory card. For example, you see you can also like do everything with these files here. So what if, for example, you want to transfer some pictures and videos to this card? Then again, so you simply use the Files app and go find basically where you have the photos or videos you want to transfer, for example, in the images. So what you would do is you would simply maybe select some image you want to transfer to the card. Once done, click these three dots here, and you see either copy or move. Let's copy and select the mass storage device here. Select the folder where you want to paste it, or you can also like create a new folder. So you see it got copied there. If you go back, okay, so you see I have the files basically here, just now copied. Okay, and that's about it really. So once you are done really, did we had, okay, let's check this. Okay, so yeah, once done, you can simply pull it out. There's no unmount option that pairs. So pull it out, and the files should be stored on your card now. Okay, good luck.